There are 5 main ways to round numbers in Excel, each suited to different situations. Let me walk you through them. Start with the round function, the most common method. Click on an empty cell, type an equals sign, then type round with an opening parenthesis. Enter the cell reference you want to round, like A1, add a comma, then enter the decimal places you want. Use 2 for 2 decimal places, 0 for whole numbers, or -1 to round to the nearest 10. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Your rounded number appears in the cell. If that doesn't work for your needs, try roundup. Click an empty cell, type equals roundup with an opening parenthesis, enter your cell reference, add a comma, specify the decimal places, close the parenthesis, and press enter. This always rounds away from 0, so 3.2 becomes 4 even though it's closer to 3. Use this when you need conservative estimates or want to ensure you have enough of something. If you need the opposite, use round down. Click an empty cell, type equals round down with an opening parenthesis, enter your cell reference, comma, decimal places, close parenthesis, and press enter. This always rounds towards 0, so 3.8 becomes 3. This works well for completed units or conservative financial calculations. If you only want to change how numbers display without changing the actual values, select your cells and go to the Home tab. In the number group, click the increase decimal or decrease decimal buttons to adjust the display. Alternatively, press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells, go to the Number tab, set your decimal places, and click OK. The cell shows fewer decimals, but the full value remains stored, visible in the formula bar when selected. For a guided approach, click an empty cell, go to the Formulas tab, and click Insert Function. Search for or select round, round up, or round down, then click OK. In the Function Arguments dialog, click in the Number field and select your cell, then click in the Num Digits field and enter your decimal places. A preview shows at the bottom before you click OK. Keep in mind that negative numbers for decimal places round to the left of the decimal point. For example, round 1, 2, 3, 4.567 -2 gives 1,200. This is useful when rounding to the nearest hundred or thousand. That's how to round numbers in Excel. Choose the method that fits your task.